As you can see, our blueberries did great this year. Even though we had a late freeze, it didn't hurt the blueberries at all. They're just loaded with blueberries. So today, Christy and I are going to pick these blueberries, and then most of these will probably go in the freezer, what we don't eat fresh. Will go in the freezer, but they did wonderful. If you didn't see the video that I did back in the spring, during the late spring, I'll put it in the description below, so that way you can go watch it. And we got down into the 20s, and I was worried about the blueberries, but it didn't hurt them at all. So this shows you that your blueberries can take a little bit of a late freeze, and they'll still produce plenty of fruit. I'm going to get to picking. Alright, our oldest granddaughter Riley's with us today. She helped pick blueberries. And what do you think, Riley? You got a gallon and a half?
Maybe that one probably ain't gonna work right there.
No, feed it to the chickens, just throw it out.
Okay. Why?
Chickens or the ducks will get it.
I don't know. It might be a gallon or maybe a half of a gallon. It might be a gallon and a half.
Yeah, I think we got at least a gallon, maybe a gallon and a half here.
Yeah, maybe.
Big old blueberries, beautiful blueberries.
That's mine.
And yours? Okay, then I'm gonna eat this one.
It's good.
That's a pretty good haul for today, isn't it?
Yep.
So we'll pick more tomorrow.
Mhm.
Look at there.
Look at this.
That's a big one. What was that one? Yeah.
That one's like an inch bigger. Or a centimeter, like this little centimeter.
Like your little centimeter worm?
Mhm.
Yeah. Alright, I guess we better stop eating these and get them inside.
Probably.
We can get them in the freezer.
I don't think I can.
You don't think you can stop eating them?